Before we get started, I just want to thank everyone that's been subscribing. We've been getting on average one a day, which is cool. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit subscribe and like while you're at it. And just a little plug, I bought this shirt. Actually, I was given this shirt, I think, for like my birthday or something a while back. I wear it all the time, and I thought I'd mention it on this channel because it's relevant. If you want to wear a Python shirt just to show the world how nerdy you are, this is the one right here. Um, and I'll have this linked in the description if you're interested. And anyway, today's video we're actually going to talk about the join method. And I talked about it in my last video. We were doing a HackerRank practice problem. And I realized I never really talked about join, and maybe some people don't know what join actually does. So to illustrate that, I am going to create a list. And pretty much what a join does is it takes an iterable, such as a list, and it combines every element in that list by something. It's going to join it in some way. And you get to describe how you want to join it. So let me create a list. I'm just going to call this EX for like example or something like that. And let's do A as in the first one, and then B, and then C in this list. Right? And then if I were to just print EX, we can obviously probably pretty clearly know what this is. Wow. We're going to run Python example. I can't talk and do stuff at the same time. It's just going to print out the list, right? But let's say we wanted to join each one of these letters and make a string out of it. And, we wanted the string to have hyphens in between each of the characters in the string. So in between A and B is a hyphen, and then in between B and C is a hyphen. And that's a good example of how we can use the join. So if I just make a hyphen as the character, and then I do dot join, and then I describe what I want to join, which is going to be the iterable. You can see right here it's going to want an iterable as a parameter, and that's going to be our list EX. And let's put this in a variable. So let's call this joiner. It's going to equal that. And now let's go ahead and print joiner and see what that does. And here at the bottom, hopefully you can see it. Try to zoom in, but I don't think that works. A, B, and C with hyphens in between them. Okay, and in my last video, I talked about, so let's create a string. Let's put a string in EX. And we talked about mutating characters in a string. So if I have a string and it's going to say, I don't know, it's going to say like Thomas or something. And we want to make that into a list. We can have str list, which is going to be my variable, is going to equal list, and then we'll pass in our string Thomas, and that'll create a list. And notice now what happens if I print that string list. It looks like this. Each character is its own part of the list, right? And so what we did was we changed one character. So at index 1, we might change the H into something. And then we would join it, but we're not going to join it with a hyphen or anything. We're actually going to join it with just a blank character. It's not going to be anything. So let's do that. Let's do kind of a continuation of what we did. So str list, and let's change the first index to like a K or something like that. Okay, and now we're going to join it with nothing to make it a string again, and then if we print that out, it should look like this. Str list 1. That's because we didn't pass in str list. So let's do that again. Yeah, so now that H is replaced with a K, and the reason it didn't stay as a list like it did up here is because we used the join with nothing to join it. If we wanted to do hyphens in between each one, or maybe we wanted to do like a question mark in between each one, or a comma, whatever the case may be, we could certainly do that as well. Now you can see that there's a comma in between each one of those values in the list. And that's all a joiner does. It joins values in an iterable, and it joins them the way that you describe it. So if you want commas, question marks, whatever, you can think of, that is what it will use. And that is the join. So thanks guys for watching. I appreciate you. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you later.